Hey guys, Steve Welch here, standing in front of a new 2026 RAV4, but this will be true for 26 and moving on. It's about putting your front license plate on a new 26 RAV4. So first thing off is when you look at it, you're gonna think there's not actually a spot for it. But if you look in the back of the vehicle, you're gonna have found this piece right here. This piece is your front license plate bracket. You're also gonna notice that you do have some screws that are in there, but I'm gonna show you exactly how to find where it goes. If you look really close on your grill, you're gonna see on the bottom of the grill, you have two little indentations. You have one over here and you have one over here. So those are the indentations that you're gonna find to put your license plate on there. So the first thing that I always do is open the bag, take the bracket out, set the bracket aside, get your screws here. You're gonna need those here real quick. So you got your screws out. What I don't like to do is I don't like to use a power drill on this just because you can strip things out. But I'm gonna just use a little screwdriver here and I'm going to put it here. You could also use a nut driver, something like that. But you're gonna look for that little indentation, come here, and before you put anything on, you're gonna do the indentation right here. And you wanna push. When you push, you're gonna go into the front. And it'll catch. Once it catches, you just go in a few threads, you bring it back out. So you get that started, come to the other side, do the exact same thing, give it a little push. Get it started. Now once that's started, the reason you do that is because it's a whole lot harder to do when you already got the bracket up there. But the next thing you're going to do is you're going to lift this. Now when you do this, you don't want to put it in the wrong spot. So you can see there's different holes and different spots here. The holes you want are the indented holes on either side. So you're going to see here, you put this in here, slide it in. Once you slide that in, just kind of put it back up to exactly where you were just at. And then you can kind of get it started if you want to with just your hands here. Then pop over to the other side and you'll see it aligns with the exact same thing that you just did right here. So since that aligns right there, you're gonna put this in here. Once again, just kind of get it started then with your hand. You don't have to push too hard. Then you're gonna come back here and just screw it in very, very easily. Don't over tighten it because you can obviously have a problem if you do, but just put this all the way back in. And then once you have that on there, that bracket's gonna be nice and tight. Check both sides. Give it a little tug, make sure it doesn't go anywhere. And then that is how you look on the bracket on your new vehicle. And then you're gonna need to get two screws that don't come with it. Those screws are your standard license plate screws, and then those will actually go into the plate on either side. So that's how you do the new license plate on your new Toyota RAV4 2026 and beyond. Steve Welch here. You guys have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.